Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase Singapore. Start by creating your Coinbase account with your email. Next, verify your identity using a government-issued ID and proof of address, which is a crucial step for security and compliance. Finally, link your bank account to enable seamless deposits and withdrawals, making your crypto journey smooth and efficient. This initial setup takes only a few minutes. To fund your account, initiate a bank transfer directly from your linked Singapore bank account. It is essential that the name on your bank account precisely matches your Coinbase account name to avoid any delays. Always review any minimum deposit requirements and potential transaction fees before proceeding, ensuring a clear understanding of your financial commitments. Once funded, navigate to the Buy/Sell section on the Coinbase platform. Here, you can easily select from a wide range of cryptocurrencies available for purchase or sale. Simply enter the desired amount, review all transaction details carefully, and then confirm your order. This straightforward process allows you to manage your digital assets with confidence. For optimal security, always enable two-factor authentication on your account. Regularly reviewing your transaction history helps you quickly identify any unusual activity, protecting your funds. Should you encounter any issues or have questions, Coinbase's dedicated support team is readily available to provide assistance, ensuring a secure and smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.